Good morning, YouTube family. Good morning. Here we got a 1999 Bmw 323 Ci. I'm looking to get a makeover for somebody that do excellent work. So somebody point me in the right direction to get my 1999 323 Ci makeover over. I need the interior, exterior, wheels, suspension, engine, everything. I need the works. Who wants to make over my 1999 323 Ci? I know it's not an M3. I think it had about 2 owners. I think I'm the third. It's in very, very good condition, but I want to see it in excellent condition. So who wants that task? Point me to all the YouTubers that do excellent work, that want a car to make over and want to make my car over. Get back to me, leave something in the comments for me. Share this video. You know what I'm saying? Leave me a message in the comments. Share this video. And yeah, this is an automatic. You know, it got low miles on it. Interior is so-so. But I'm looking for a person or a company that would like to make me over. Well, make my car over. But yeah, holler back at me and let me know something in the comments and share this video.